Hi, I'm Dr. Rachel Lumbaum. I'm going to be your professor for Management 3600, Change, Creativity, and Innovation Management. I wanted to hop on here and quickly give you an overview of kind of how to navigate the course and what you can expect. So I'm on the course homepage. I'm going to go into student view so that it looks like how you see it. So when you come to the course homepage, you'll see this. When you first start with the course, I ask that you go to the Start Here tab. This has all the information you need regarding the textbook, how to communicate with me, learning outcomes, etc. Has links for tutoring, the library, etc. So you can just click on each of these and you can see. You can click here for a PDF version of the syllabus. I also highly suggest that you that you download the syllabus so that you know all of the information that you need to know for the course. So to navigate through the course, you can always either go back to modules or you can just click next and it'll take you to the next spot. All right. I like the modules page myself and I like to navigate from there. So we have the start here. So to get started in this first week, I want you to read the syllabus and then there's a syllabus quiz. These are all the important things I want you to know. And then I want you to introduce yourself to your classmates. I did it a little different for this class since it is supposed to be a little bit more creative. So just one sentence about yourself along with a picture with a caption. So mine is I'm fun, energetic, outgoing mom, wife, friend who doubles as a college professor. This is actually kind of an old picture, but it's me, my son, and my dog. I now have another dog who's actually laying at my feet right here, licking my feet, which is just weird. But and my caption is nothing makes me happier than snuggling my son and dogs and watching cartoons, as long as it's a good cartoon, right? All right, so please do that and then read your classmates and respond. Feel free to add anything else you want us to know about you. It's just a fun way to get to know each other, and I love the pictures. It really helps me to resonate with you. I also ask that if you can post a picture of yourself here. This also helps to develop a sense of community and get to know each other. You can do that by going to the setting, your account here on the side. I think I also posted directions somewhere on the site for how to do that. All right, so if we go back to the modules page, you'll see that there's 4 units in this course. One other thing I want to mention, the book, well, there's a couple different books for this course. There's only one book you actually need to buy. It's called Making Innovation Work. It's an ebook. It's all inclusive, meaning that it's embedded right into the Canvas site. The reason I use all inclusive is because it's significantly cheaper for you. You do have the option to opt out. There's directions in the syllabus for you to do that. And in the Start Here tab, if by chance you want to buy a hard copy of the book. So you just click on this and it should take you right to the book, okay? And you'll be automatically charged for it. The other readings in the course are all free PDFs that I have found for you, so I really have tried to keep the cost down in this class. You'll see that there's 4 units. The due dates are on the units. Each unit has an overview, different readings and resources. Um, you can see, just click next. Shows everything you should be reading, PowerPoints, videos, etc. Have required and optional. Here is one assignment for Unit 1. Most units have 2, 3, maybe 4 assignments, so make sure that you manage your time accordingly. You usually have about a month for each unit to complete it, so you will have to space it out on your own. This is a grading rubric, so you know what you're graded on. And that's just kind of the gist of how the course works. So there's 4 units, a midterm exam, a final exam. All exams are open book, open note. They are timed. I think they are essay exams in this class. There's a few quizzes depending on the chapter and the unit. But I just wanted to give you a real quick overview on how to navigate the course. And if you have any questions at any time, you can contact me. My contact information is in the syllabus and in the Start Here section on the homepage. And I look forward to having a great semester with you all. Bye.